Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Easily one of the most exciting new models from Indian is the FTR, standing for Flat Track Racer. As the name suggests, it features carbon fiber bodywork, front fender, headlight nozzle, tank and airbox covers, and the passenger seat cowl are now all carbon fiber. It's also fitted with an exclusive low-mount black acrophobic exhaust in titanium. To distinguish it from other FTR models, it has an FTR carbon branded center console plate. Like the original FTR, the FTR carbon comes equipped with cruise control, dual disc Brembo ABS brakes, traction control, full LED lighting, and a 4.3-inch LED touchscreen dashboard featuring a USB fast charge port and a Bluetooth compatibility for charging and controlling mobile devices. Keeping it aloof is a long travel 155 mm fully adjustable suspension for an upright riding position for predictable, precise cornering, and maneuverability even in the city. It's propelled by a liquid-cooled 1,203cc V-twin engine developing 126 PS and 120 Nm of torque. It's been tuned to have a flat torque curve and strong acceleration throughout the RPM range, as well as progressive, predictable power delivery. Still, there is a usable low-end punch for accelerating riding whether in the city or countryside. The FTR is also fitted with a variety of riding aids like lean angle sensitive stability control, ABS, traction control, and a wheelie mitigation control which can be modified by 3 ride modes: Sports, Standard, and Rain, each with unique throttle responses and traction control intervention levels. Besides all the alluring carbon fiber already fitted, the FTR carbon can be customized even more with accessory specifically developed for the FTR platform. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and comment down below. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you next time.